In our last video, we learned how samatha meditation stills the mind, turning a scattered flashlight into a powerful laser beam. But calming the mind is only the first step. To completely break free from suffering, anxiety, and the matrix of conditioning, you must take that laser beam and shine it deep into the nature of reality. This process is called Vidarshana or Vipassana Bavana. It translates to insight meditation, which literally means seeing things exactly as they are, rather than how we imagine them to be. While samatha creates concentration, Vipassana creates wisdom. Samatha puts the mind to sleep regarding worldly distractions, but Vipassana wakes the mind up to ultimate truth. Today, this is your practical, step-by-step guide on how to practice Vipassana meditation in your daily life. To begin Vipassana, you first need a foundation of stillness. Find a quiet space, sit in a comfortable position with your spine straight, and spend the first 5 minutes practicing samatha. Focus entirely on your breath. Let the mud settle. Let the 5 hindrances fade. Once your mind is calm and anchored, you switch the gear from concentration to pure observation. This is where Vipassana begins. You are no longer just staying on the breath. You become an objective scientist, observing the laboratory of your own body and mind. Vipassana is practiced through 4 foundations of mindfulness. The first foundation is the observation of the body. Shift your awareness away from the breath and slowly scan your physical body from head to toe. Notice the actual physical sensations. You might feel warmth, coldness, pressure, tingling, sweating, or pain. As a Vipassana practitioner, your only job is to watch these sensations without judgment. If you feel a sharp pain in your knee, do not move and do not get angry. Do not say, "I hate this pain." Instead, look closely at the pain. Notice how it is not a solid block. It is a vibrating collection of changing sensations. By observing it objectively, you unlock the first great insight, anicca, impermanence. The pain arises, changes, and eventually passes away. The second foundation is the observation of feelings. This does not mean complex emotions, but rather the immediate raw feedback of your experiences, which are either pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral. When a pleasant sensation arises, like a cool breeze on your skin, notice how the mind immediately wants to cling to it. When an unpleasant sensation arises, notice how the mind immediately wants to fight it. Vipassana teaches you to break this automated biological programming. You observe the pleasant and the unpleasant with the exact same emotional balance. You realize that both are temporary clouds passing through the sky of your mind. The third foundation is the observation of the mind itself. Watch your thoughts as they arise. Usually, we get lost in our thoughts. If a memory of the past comes up, we start playing the movie in our head. In Vipassana, you do not play the movie. You step out of the screen and sit in the audience. If a thought of anxiety arises, you simply label it thinking, or worrying. Watch the thought arise. Watch it stay for a few seconds, and watch it dissolve back into nothingness. You realize a profound truth. You are not your thoughts. You are the silent observer witnessing the thoughts. The fourth foundation is the observation of mental phenomena. This means noticing the universal laws governing your mind. You observe how attachment leads to immediate anxiety, and how letting go leads to immediate peace. Why is this practice the ultimate cure for human suffering? Because suffering happens when we mistake temporary things for permanent structures. We cling to youth, comfort, status, and thoughts. And when they change, we crash. Vipassana systematically rewires your brain. By watching the constant arising and passing of sensations, thoughts, and emotions, your deepest subconscious mind finally realizes three universal truths. First, unicca. Everything is in a constant state of flux. Second, dukkha. Because everything changes, nothing can be possessed or relied upon for permanent happiness. Third, anatta. There is no solid, unchanging ego or self. We are a beautifully flowing process of cause and effect. When this realization shifts from an intellectual theory into a direct, experiential reality, your mind stops grasping. The craving dissolves. The resistance vanishes. You step out of the psychological matrix. You achieve true emotional sovereignty. You can practice Vipassana while sitting on a cushion, but the real test is practicing it in the real world. When you are stuck in traffic, when a person is difficult, or when a project crashes, do not react blindly. Take a breath. Observe the sensation of frustration in your body. Watch it pass. You are no longer a puppet pulled by the strings of external events. You are awake. You are free. Practice this daily. Start with 10 minutes. Move from stillness to insight and watch the illusion dissolve.